Hello, smart people. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of relationships and emotions. Love can be a beautiful thing, but let's face it, sometimes even the smartest among us find ourselves facing romantic regret. In this video, we'll explore some common factors that can lead to regrets in romantic relationships. If you're ready to navigate the complexities of love with a bit more wisdom, stay tuned. Segment 1. Lack of communication. First up on our list is a classic: lack of communication. Smart people often pride themselves on effective communication, but when it comes to matters of the heart, it can be surprisingly challenging. Misunderstandings, unspoken expectations, and unexpressed feelings can lead to regret down the road. Remember, open and honest communication is the key to a healthy relationship. Segment 2. Settling for comfort. Smart people sometimes fall into the trap of settling for comfort over true compatibility. It's easy to get comfortable in a relationship, especially if it's been long-term. However, if you find yourself staying in a relationship merely for the sake of familiarity or convenience, it might lead to regret later on. Don't be afraid to reassess and ensure your relationship aligns with your long-term goals and values. Segment 3. Neglecting self-care. Another factor that can contribute to romantic regret is neglecting self-care. Smart individuals often prioritize their careers and personal goals, sometimes at the expense of their own well-being. Neglecting self-care can result in burnout, impacting your relationship. Remember, a healthy relationship requires two individuals who are thriving individually as well. Segment 4. Ignoring red flags. Smart people may be prone to overanalyzing situations, but sometimes we overlook obvious red flags. Ignoring warning signs can lead to regret later on. It's essential to trust your instincts and address concerns early in the relationship. Remember, it's okay to prioritize your emotional well-being and walk away if needed. Segment 5. Unrealistic expectations. Finally, let's talk about unrealistic expectations. Smart individuals may have high standards, but setting unrealistic expectations for your partner or the relationship itself can set the stage for disappointment. It's crucial to have realistic expectations and communicate openly about your needs and desires to build a strong foundation. And there you have it, smart people. Relationships are complex, and even the brightest minds can find themselves facing romantic regrets. By being aware of these common pitfalls, you can navigate the world of love with a bit more insight and hopefully minimize those moments of regret. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay smart and love wisely.